first thing is uh, I've been out of work since 2018. Came from a prestigious private company after 20 years of working. So, bye-bye na. Kasi nagkuan man gud to, naabtan ko nag-change of management. So, nag-reorg. So, under man ko sa finance. So, the position was declared redundant. So, nationwide yun. So, I was one of those seemingly unlucky or lucky to be included in the roster for those early retirement. But you say 20 years of service in the private companies, that's quite long already, no? So, I already opted to grab that opportunity kasi, it's due to our long period of service sa company, quite stressful na rin. Hindi man ta nagabata, no? So, I just turned 47, no? So, that's I already discussed with my wife, so it's about time, no? So, to change kwan. Anyway, there's always life after each company naman. So, yun. Then, nagkataon din, I was planning to work, rest for a while, and then afterwards work with the government, no? Dito sa Zamboanga City. Kaya lang, nagkataon din, dumating yung pandemic natin. So, yun. Uh, Medyo na alanganin na rin ako mag-ano sa government as of now kasi I have to juggle also my responsibility to sa bahay. So, bali akong full-time houseband ako ngayon. Okay. So, I still have my responsibility, no? So, my wife is a teacher as yet, no? So, yan ang pwede na aasa lang ako sa kanya. So, I still have to uh, earn somehow, no? Kasi mas tumatagal, mas magasto din, di ba? Nagasige pag-increase ang tungkuan, inflation na to. So, medyo bugat-bugat sa. So, especially how to prepare for yung healthcare namin, no? Kasi hindi nga tayo firme in good health, lalo na ngayon sa pandemic, di ba? We are always exposed to the or risk of contracting the virus. And hindi lang yung sa pamilya namin at saka sa other relatives ko rin, lalo na yung sa mga siblings ko kasi whether I like it or not, no? They are also affected by this pandemic and hindi man din yung mga siblings ko, hindi naman sila din kaano ka stable, no? Many times in the past they have been uh, asking for my assistance financially, no? So kasi ako naman yung mayroong stable talaga na work, no, in the past 20 years. So ako yung nagiging provider, no? Orphans na kami, no? So wala na kaming nanay tatay for the past 15 years. So sabi ko, it's wala na akong stable job ngayon o stable source of income. Although I got something from my early retirement from the company, but cannot last, no? So 47, ilang years pa ako mag-aantay bago ko matanggap yung pension. Magkano lang naman yung pension sa private, di ba? Maliit lang talaga. So, yun, ang deep inside, I really know that it's my responsibility, no, to take care, to provide for the family. Although wala kaming anak, no, my wife and I, no, married for 15 years. But yun, gani, yung responsibility namin for my other my siblings and other relatives, somehow andyan pa rin yan, no? We'll still keep on dangling, no? We cannot yun nga sinasabi ko, I was newly retired, sabi ko, oh, wala na akong source of income ngayon ha. So, please do not expect for me to continue to provide for you for your needs or emergency. You really have to work for it. No? Kaya lang, hindi yun mabuti, no? In the long run. Kasi I still have to work. Kasi yun nga, it's the long period of waiting. It's tagal pa yun. So, ano gagawin ko while andito ako sa bahay? Sabi ko nga, it's this is one way that I can also continue to earn, no? And somehow, yun nga yung sabi nga ko sa iyo, so yung vision mission nga, it's to really help hindi lang yung sarili ko but other people as well, especially this time na ayun nga, importante talaga sa atin, no? In our situation now na yung financial education, no? Na matuto tayo kasi in the past while I was still working, kagaya ng iba kong ka-office mates during yung generation namin, okay na yung meron kang trabaho, pero not an assurance. There's no actually assurance kahit na big companies yan. No? Like this pandemic, what teaches us, no? It's no assurance na even big companies, even in the government, no, you are not even assured kahit na nagtatrabaho ka sa gobyerno na because anytime you can go. No? So ano yung preparation na kailangan natin. So kailangan talaga yung financial literacy, no? Especially on yung mga encounter ko in the past. Meron naman ding nag-add to sama sa company, sa office, no? Magtudlo sa mga taga-insurance companies, no? But I have not heard about IMG in the past, no? I was still working. Yung mga Loyola, mga Kilam Life, mga Insular, no? Mag-add to na sa company na mo, mag-offer, no? Na mga insurances. Parang ganun, hanggang doon lang. Of course, they talk about a little about savings, no? But in terms of really doing it by ourselves, no? At the same time, yung the prospects of earning, no? Through investments, parang ngayon na lang yan nagpantalaga yung online natin na investment, no? O marketing, no? So stock investment. So sabi ko nga, it's high time that I learned this, no? At the same time, while learning, I also pwede rin ako makatulong lalo na sa first and foremost sa mga siblings ko, teach them also how to fish. Hindi lang yung sige lang taghatag sila ha. Dapat sila tuto din sila because I have also my mga pamangkin, no? They are also growing up, no? So it's about them that I also learn, share with them kung anong yung matutunan ko dito, what I will earn, acquire, no, in this investment. But sila rin ang matulungan din. So yun ang purpose ko, yung ang goal ko. No? That first is really to learn the value, no? Discipline. Alam ko it's ang core value dito sa investment natin is discipline talaga. Yung drive natin na talagang matuto, no? Hindi lang to be financially stable but to be always ready ba, no? Always ready kung ano yung realities natin, especially yung needs natin, no? sa health natin, sa retirement natin kasi padulang manggudta diha tanan, di ba? lalo na ngayong sa retirement natin, yung sa health, not so much about going bakasyon, but yung retirement na kung magkasakit tayo, kinsa man ta mudagan, di ba? O dili man tapit yung makaasa sa ibang tao. No, we have really learned to save for ourselves, no? Kasi hindi na yun pwede dati na aasa lang tayo sa mga paryente natin o sa mga anak natin. Of course kami, wala kami anak, so wala kami kaninong aasa. So here for us, then when our time will come na bedridden na kami o puno ng sakit, wala yun. So, really, it's high time na ito yung one, malaman ko ano talaga uh, uh, yung value of really investing on yourself, through this financial literacy, and at the same time, I'm able to earn. Actually, nag-apply din ako sa Film Life, as financial uh, advisor. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa namang tawag sa akin din. So, yung IMG nakuha ko na rin ito na kapag-attend na rin ako sa online, ano yung basic ng AMG, yung purpose, yun nga is ang option nga doon is I think early this year, yun nga it's ang mission vision is to learn, to help save Filipino families 30 million by 2030, di ba? So it's really good. It's really good kasi dati meron kaming goal din sa company namin, to reach or to achieve the highest performance excellence 2020, year 2020 daw. Pero hindi naman ako nakabot ng 2020. 2018 pa lang. Wala na. Wala na yun. Be part of the dream, no? So, anyway, so that's basically in a nutshell, ano yung goal ko, sa why I eventually joined, to learn, to take the leap of faith, to invest. Sabi nga yung sa uh, si Chinkitan, I was able to attend also yung online pa niya, webinar. Sabi nga niya, it's the best investment that anybody can do, in this time is really to invest in oneself.